Hey y'all, it's Andreaallurebeauty, and if you want to see how I got my hair like this, keep watching. Hey y'all, if it is your first time, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I am just going to get right into the video. Right here I am just grouping all my hair together to start the parting process. I'm not going to talk through the whole video because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I am going to tell you guys and show you guys the products that I'm using. So right here I'll be using the Murray's Edge Wax, the Extreme Hold, and also the Murray's Beeswax in black, because y'all see those edges need a little help. So I only use the black beeswax on my edges, but everywhere else I use the Extreme Hold edge wax to part. Okay, so just to let it be known, I do not really do box parts or like any type of specific shape when I do my part. I just kind of freestyle it because I don't want to take all day parting my hair. So when I do my own hair, I just freestyle it and keep it moving. Alright, now I'm going to get into the actual hair that I am using. This hair is from a company called Boho Babe that I found on Amazon, and I believe I paid $47 for this hair. It was either $45 or $47, and it came with a crochet needle, and I think it also came with like little jewels, but I didn't use those. But this is 30 inches. Yes, y'all. Your girl was doing the most. This is 30-inch passion twist hair. And in the whole pack of hair, it comes with 88 twists. So it's 11 twists per bundle, and you get 8 bundles. So it is more than enough hair. I think I had like 3.5 bundles left over when I was done. And I got a big head, so if I got some left over, I know you will have some left over too. Okay, so I do want to explain this part a little more in depth. I'm just taking the crochet needle and I'm putting it underneath the rubber band. So when I crochet the hair into my head, it won't move or go anywhere because the rubber band is holding it in place. So right here, I'm just crocheting one side, pulling it through, making sure it's even. And if you want to, you can tighten up like where your hair is, pull it apart to make it a little tight. But mine was pretty much tight enough. So I'm taking the edge wax, putting it on just my hair because that's what helps blend my hair with the twist hair. And here I am just going to twist it down. Now it is very easy to twist it in the wrong direction. So you'll see with this twist that I'm doing it in the correct direction, because once I am done, you'll see the twist looks like an actual twist. It looks really cute. But the second twist that you'll see me do, I did it in the opposite direction, and you'll see it's looking real crazy. But right here, for me, I was just twisting. You can kind of feel the direction you're supposed to go into because the sides of the hair, like both ends of the hair, will twist into itself. So when you're twisting, just make sure it's twisting into itself and not feeling forced to be twisted into itself, if that makes sense. All right, y'all, now this is when I was saying that I ended up twisting in the wrong direction, and you'll be able to see just looking by the twist, it looks okay right here, but when I unhand it, you'll see the twist looks really, really crazy. So that's why, look at it. What the hell? Child. But I'm glad, that's a good reason to when you twist your hair, make sure you twist maybe like halfway. Don't twist completely down, because if something like this does happen, you'll have to unravel it all again and twist it back in the same direction. So when you're doing your twist, make sure you twist it down like halfway, then unhand it so you can see if it really looks like a twist. And if it's cool, then you know you're going in the right direction and you can continue twisting down. It saves you a lot of time and a huge headache doing it this way. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking all twisted up. Really, really cute. I am definitely loving it. It's super long. Again, like I said, I didn't stand all the way up because I didn't have on no pants, and y'all not trying to pay me for that. So anywho, here it is right before I am doing my edges. And right here, y'all already know, if you are subscribed to my channel and you see my other videos, I love to use I Am Blessed Hands edge control. That's pretty much the only edge control that really works for me. I will link it down below for anyone who wants to try it. And I'm 4C, so if it's working on these 4C edges, y'all know y'all gonna be good too. So here I'm just doing a few little swoop, loops, and that's pretty much going to complete the look. I really, really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did enjoy making it for you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my other videos and more videos that I have to come. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.